Namaskar viewers, I welcome all of you on your own YouTube channel Astro Journey A Divine Voice. Viewers, today we are going to discuss about a very unique concept in this video. This concept is based on astrology, although I am very much excited today uh, when I want to share this with all of you. Today we are going to discuss about what are the combinations that are required for a successful career in films, movies, on silver screen, in on art. And at the same time, we will also discuss that how the planetary position in transit is affecting our film industry, especially at the international level. How space is connected with the planets and why there are so much of movies that are being released in the month of May are based on space, galaxy, and outer universe. We will discuss what are the planetary combinations that are going to make this happen, why this is happening, how the energy of planets is manifesting in this world, how it is affecting the humankind, how it is affecting the imagination of humans. This will be the center of our discussion today. Before starting our discussion, I would like to request all my viewers to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that all our notifications reach to you at the earliest. When I'm talking about silver screen or films or movies, the first things that come to my mind is Rahu, the significator of illusion, significator of virtual world, and sun. Sun represents light. Rahu is artificial light, photography, movie making. Venus is the significator of art, acting. Rahu, Venus. Although all type of karmas are centrally governed by Saturn. So when we are talking about the effect of stars on the human mankind or globally or a mundane level, we must consider the Kala Purush Kundli. Now, I would like to share with you a very interesting position of stars, or sorry, planets in the Kala Purush Kundli. Rahu is at 9 degree in Ashwini Nakshatra, third pada, is of Gemini Navansh. Okay, whose lord is Mercury. Okay, and Jupiter is at 3 degree in Ashwini Nakshatra, in Aries Navansh, whose lord is Mars. Okay, Surya, Sun and Mercury are in Bharni Nakshatra. Sun is in third pada, whose Navansh is Venus. Libra Navansh, Lord is Venus, and Mercury is in first pada or first charan in Leo Navansh, whose Lord is Sun. Now you see, Rahu and Jupiter are in Ashwini Nakshatra, whose lordship is with Ketu. Sun and Mercury is in Bharni Nakshatra, whose lordship is with Venus. Venus is in Mrigashira Nakshatra, lordship of Mars, in third sign of Gemini, and in third pada, Navansh is Gemini Navansh. Mars is in Punarvasu Nakshatra, third pada, Gemini Navansh again. Sorry, Venus is in Libra Navansh. And Libra is totally under the influence of Rahu nowadays. Energy of Rahu is very, very active in Kalpurish Kundi, especially in Libra number. You see, Ketu is in Swati Nakshatra. Swati Nakshatra lordship is with Rahu in first pada, that is of Capricorn. That is of Navansh is of Sagittarius, Jupiter. Moon is in Swati Nakshatra, Nakshatra of Rahu. Second pada, Capricorn, Navansh, energy of Saturn. And Saturn, interestingly, Saturn is in Satdisha Nakshatra. Again, Rahu's Nakshatra. Second pada, Capricorn, Navansh, whose lord is Saturn. Saturn is in Rahu's Nakshatra. So, you see here, Sun is under the influence of Rahu, Mercury is under the influence of Rahu, Jupiter is under the influence of Rahu, Saturn is under the influence of Rahu, Ketu and Moon is under the influence of Rahu. There is an exchange between Mercury and Mars. So you can also take Mars, count Mars in Aries also, because it is an exchange. So Mars is also under the influence of okay. And Venus, whose depositor, Mercury. Mercury is Mercury is also conjunct with Rahu. Almost entire Kalpurush Kundli is under the influence of Rahu. Rahu is illusion, artificial. Nowadays, the talk of internet is centralized on artificial intelligence. Mercury is our intelligence, significator of intelligence. Rahu, artificial. Jupiter is universal karaka for a jiva. Okay. Jupiter also signifies human jiva's desire. We are moving towards artificial intelligence. We are very much keen, more than before. We are so much keen to talk about universe, talk about aliens, talk about galaxies, about outer universe, about space. Is it merely a coincidence? No. See how the planets are channelizing their energy and it is manifesting in the human world. And you see here, the significator of karma is Saturn. Karma is what we do, what we want to do, all kind of deeds, good or bad, comes under your karma. Is in Satdisha Nakshatra, whose deity is Varuna. Now, Varuna signifies radioactive technology, universe, space, nanotechnology, medical sciences. 11th house, Aquarius sign, whose lord is Saturn, is the sign of technology. And we are entering into a new era of technology. New era of technology of artificial intelligence, exploring space, stretching our limits in outer space, in solar system. Here you see, here today we are discussing mainly on movies and silver screen. Okay. So here you see Venus, significator of art, is in trine connection with Saturn. Saturn is in trine connection with Moon. Moon is expected by Sun, Mercury, Jupiter, and Rahu. In trine connection with Venus and Mars. Here you see When there is a conjunction or some kind of relation between moon and Rahu. Moon is our imagination. Rahu is big. We imaginate about big things, very big thing, mammoth things. We imaginate about space, galaxy. We imaginate about this spacecrafts, and you see the movies are that are going to be released in May month are mostly based on the concept of space, galaxy, and spacecrafts, outer world. This is not a coincidence at all. This shows the magic of astrology. You can't say magic; it's science of astrology. How the energies in the universe are channelized into human lives and how these are manifesting in human brain in reality. We are making movies that are you see that are going to be released on when almost entire chart of Kal Purush Kundli is under the influence of Rahu, dragon's head. But in normal astrology, when we talk about moon Saturn combination, we talk about Rahu and moon combination, we talk about sun and Rahu combination. There are a lot of bad things we that pour into our eyes, into our ears, right? But we don't want to think out of box. Every planet carries a certain energy. If we are channelizing that energy, utilizing that energy into a positive manner, there are positive outcomes. It depends upon how much knowledge we have of that energy. This is my observation. This is my today's observation when I was analyzing the planetary position during lunar eclipse on 5th of May. But these things attracts my attention. That during that time, almost entire Kalpurush Kundli is under the influence of Rahu. Rahu is technology. Jiva is going towards Rahu. A new era of technology is going to begin. And we are reflecting our thinking in the movies that are being produced in this time, during this period of time. So this is my discussion. Here I am going to pause my discussion on placements and combinations of Rahu with other planets and how this energy is affecting our life. Especially what kind of combinations are required for name and fame in virtual world. Movies are virtual world. Okay. Before coming to an end of my discussion, I would like to again request my viewers, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Namaskar.